Yeah.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Ala's World of Finance. In this quick video, we're going to talk about Snapchat stock, ticker symbol SNAP, SNAP. And the reason that I want to do this video, it should be a pretty interesting video, but the reason I want to do this is because I was reading a report from The Verge and they were talking about how Snapchat is trying to get into the drone market. And I think this could potentially be a huge thing because the drone market, as we know, has been growing, it's been blowing up, and this could potentially be a big move by Snapchat. Now, if you've owned stock in Snapchat in the past or currently, then you probably know a lot about their company and you probably know that they've been looking into the drone market for a while. In fact, they actually acquired this drone company. They acquired them late last year. And I remember reading about them trying to get into the drone market and researching different companies for acquisition, but I actually didn't know, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I did not know that they had acquired this company late last year. And the company is called Control Me Robotics, and it's a drone company. And they basically make drones to carry film and camera equipment, and most of their business was in the film industry, especially in the local film industry because they're LA based, so they're obviously going to have a lot of potential there to be in the film industry. So they were doing a lot of work there. And we know that Snapchat is trying to transition into, more of a camera company, and, they want to diversify with hardware. And we've seen them do that a little bit with their camera glasses, the spectacles. So we've seen them do some of this stuff before, but getting into the drone market could be huge for them. So that's something I'm going to be looking forward to in the future. I want to hear more about it and I want to hear Snapchat talk more about it. But looking at the drone market, we know that the drone market has been expanding and growing and it's been doing very well. However, we don't have exact figures for every little detail because a lot of people have different opinions on what a drone actually is. So what I did was I looked at a couple different research firms and I just wanted to see what they were saying about the market. Well, the Gartner research firm, they said that drone unit sales grew 60% last year and revenue grew 36% last year, so 2016. And the Consumer Technology Association, they said that people bought 2.4 million hobbyist drones last year compared to 1.1 million in 2015. So it obviously jumped, more than double. So these are really big numbers, guys. And I think that it is going to keep getting bigger. In fact, I even have a little bit of an inside story because I'm getting my Master of Science in Geographic Information Science, and we work with drones a lot. And so I was at this conference in LA, and it was hosted by USC, University of Southern California, and I was presenting my own research and stuff. But there was a company there, and they presented as well, and they were talking about drones because they were a drone company. And so they asked the audience, raise your hand if you've seen a drone today, and nobody rose their hand. Well, they basically said that their mission is in the next 1-2 years, couple years, that when they ask that question, everybody will be raising their hand. So they really they're really ambitious and really want drones up there in the sky, all the time. I don't know if that will happen in the next couple years, but I do think that it is the future at some point, because drones really are the future. And that's, that is my opinion, but I think a lot of people share that opinion. However, there are some safety concerns with that. If a drone falls on someone's head and kills them, that's a big safety concern, right? But I think that as long as these companies address these issues, then we'll be okay. But that's a little more broad than I'd like to get into. But the point is that Snapchat getting into the drone market is a really good move, and especially because it's mostly dominated by just one company. So it shouldn't be too hard for them to steal some of the market share. It's not like it's overly saturated or anything like that. However, there are obviously other companies making drones. You can go on Amazon and find a bunch of different drones that you can get for cheap. But when we're talking about big companies dominating the market, especially professional market, and we're looking at this company and they were doing work in the film industry, which means that they had to be pretty high quality, right? So this could be potentially very big for them. And they should be able to hopefully at least compete a little bit with DJI. They're not going to overtake them, but they may at least be able to take some of that market share. Now, Snapchat has been trying to transition. They started calling themselves Snap, and they want to be more of a camera-based company, and they want to develop hardware. And we've seen some of that with the spectacles. They want to go from just being an application, Snapchat application company, to, you know, also being a hardware company and, you know, drones and other hardware and things like that. So I think that this is a great move, and it makes me happy that I own Snapchat stock. I only own a little bit of Snapchat stock, but I'm still happy that I own some. And I may be looking to purchase more, to be honest. Now let's go ahead and take a look at their numbers. So for last week, they were up 6.10%. For the month, they were down 5.9%. And then the 3 months and year to date, that would all be the same. Now their 52-week low was at $17.59. Their 52-week high was at $29.44. And then the last time I checked, and I'm not exactly sure when this video will be uploaded, so the price may be a little different, but last time I checked, the price was at $21.21. And so that's, you know, that's a little, I guess that's a little closer to the 52-week low, right? But not by a whole lot. But if the stock, you know, goes down maybe a little more, I would definitely be looking to buy more Snapchat stock. And that's just my opinion. I know a lot of people are very bearish on Snapchat, but I think that they have a lot of potential, to be honest. So anyway, I hope that this helped. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment, and please like the video. It really helps me a lot, and please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care.